rights of Divyangs in India have undergone a transformative shift in the past decade, propelled by the Government of India's commitment to inclusivity and empowerment of Divyangjan. The government has initiated various policies and initiatives aimed at ensuring that every individual, regardless of disability, can access opportunities and participate fully in society. Central to this effort is the Accessible India campaign, also known as the Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan, launched on the 3rd of December 2015 with the vision of achieving universal accessibility. The campaign fundamentally operates across 4 key focus areas that are enhancing the accessibility of physical spaces to ensure barrier-free navigation for all, improving access to various modes of transport to facilitate independent mobility for Divyangjan, developing an accessible information and communication technology ecosystem to ensure that critical information is understandable to all, and increasing sign language access to support the deaf and hard of hearing communities. The government's sustained efforts to ensure accessibility for all are now yielding visible results across every sphere of life. At present, 35 international airports, 55 domestic airports, more than 700 A1, A and B category railway stations, and over 1,300 central government buildings in India have been provided with accessibility features. More than 1,000 persons have been trained in Indian Sign Language by the Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center. Moreover, over 600 state government and more than 90 central government websites now meet accessibility standards. And in order to broad base the Accessible India campaign on the principles of Jan Bhagidari, the Sugamya Bharat app was also launched in 2021. In line with the motto of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas, the Accessible India campaign is a testament to the government's resolve to make the lives of the Divyangjans more convenient.